This video covers Unity Ads versus AdMob. Choosing the right mobile ad network can dramatically improve your app monetization without compromising user experience. We'll briefly explore both Unity Ads and AdMob to highlight their key differences. Unity Ads and AdMob are two leading mobile advertising platforms. The core difference lies in their integration focus. Unity Ads is tailored for game developers, while AdMob offers a broader reach across various app types and Google's extensive ad network. Unity Ads is a mobile ad network developed by Unity Technologies, primarily designed for game developers using the Unity engine. It integrates seamlessly with Unity projects, enabling developers to monetize through rewarded videos, interstitials, and banner ads. The platform capitalizes on engaging ad formats like rewarded videos, which encourage users to watch ads in exchange for in-game rewards, enhancing user retention and revenue. Unity Ads offers detailed analytics and optimization tools to maximize ad performance within games. A key strength is its deep integration with Unity, simplifying setup and providing targeted ads relevant to gaming audiences. However, Unity Ads is less versatile for non-game apps and has a smaller advertiser pool compared to broader networks. Ideal users are game developers seeking native ad experiences that blend well with gameplay, aiming for high user engagement and retention without disrupting the gaming flow. AdMob is Google's mobile advertising platform, supporting a wide range of app categories beyond gaming. It connects app developers to Google's vast advertiser base, offering formats like banner ads, interstitials, native ads, and rewarded videos. AdMob leverages Google's powerful machine learning to optimize ad targeting and maximize revenue. Its broad compatibility with multiple development environments and extensive mediation options allows developers to manage multiple ad networks from one dashboard. Strengths include access to a large global advertiser pool, advanced analytics, and integration with Google Analytics for Firebase. Limitations include potential complexity in setup and less specialized support for game-specific ad formats compared to Unity Ads. AdMob suits developers who want flexible monetization options across various app types, especially those seeking access to Google's extensive ad ecosystem and advanced targeting capabilities. Comparing Unity Ads and AdMob reveals distinct trade-offs. Unity Ads excels in game-specific ad formats like rewarded videos, offering smooth integration with Unity projects and a focus on user engagement within games. It's ideal for developers prioritizing gameplay experience and native ad delivery. AdMob, on the other hand, provides a broader reach with diverse ad formats suitable for all app types, backed by Google's extensive advertiser network and advanced targeting. This makes it a strong choice for apps beyond gaming or those requiring flexible mediation across multiple ad sources. While Unity Ads offers simplicity and gaming focus, AdMob delivers scale and versatility. Developers must weigh whether they prefer specialized game monetization or a wider ad ecosystem with more customization and reach. Unity Ads is recommended for game developers seeking seamless integration and engaging rewarded ads that enhance user experience and drive monetization within Unity-based games. AdMob is the better choice for developers needing a versatile ad network with broad app support, comprehensive mediation, and access to Google's powerful ad ecosystem. Choose AdMob if you want maximum reach and advanced targeting across diverse